Hey there, how you doing? Charlie Winters here with horse racing tips for Monday the 6th of January. Well, poor day Saturday. We finished fairly well. Garcia got a place, another one got a place. Um, Football, one of the bets are okay. Well, I say one of the bets are okay. One of the matches are okay, maybe even two. I don't know. I clicked it off before the end. So let me get on to Monday selections. So I'll tell you what, I like the look of these. These are four well handicapped horses. I shall talk you through them. I've taken one of the prices, even on Sky Bet, because it could potentially get gambled. I do think it might have won this race last year. So what I've had is a 10 pence each way, lucky 15, and a pound each way accumulator. It comes to a fiver in total. So the first selection is Professor Tickle in the 5 o'clock at Wolverhampton, paying four places instead of three. So 3 runs back, this horse ran a cracker drawn wide at Lingfield. Race wide, prominent throughout. I think it was something like outpaced or lost position, then rallied towards finish. It hasn't got a great draw again, but since then it's ran 2 races over 7 furlongs. Well, I don't think it stays 7 furlongs. So it's come down in the handicap and now it's back over 6 furlongs at Wolverhampton. If this horse gets a decent position, it's got Taryn Langley taking £7 off. He rode a selection for me the other day where it came fourth. Was it called Kira's something? 33 to 1 in the end. It came fourth, paying out first three. It wasn't that hard on it. I hope he can get stuck into him. But yeah, he get an okay ride, but I was hoping that it would like get a bit more vigorous. Well, hopefully he can give this one a decent ride, Professor Tickle tomorrow, and I think £3 lower than its seasonal reappearance. I think it's got a bit of a chance. It certainly shouldn't be 25 to 1, and that's what price it currently is. So the second selection is Circles at 7 to 1. And I've taken the price in the 7 o'clock at Wolverhampton, paying four places instead of three. This horse could possibly have won this race last year. It won at Wolverhampton on the 5th of January. Well, this horse ran just, I think it was 2 or 3 days ago, with Usheen Orr on board. Um, it's trained by Anthony McCann. I think he's from Ireland. Well, this horse has been campaigned in Dundalk for part of its career. But I had a recent spin, like I said, 2 or 3 days ago at Wolverhampton. It's back at Wolverhampton. I think, especially if it won last year's race, which I think it did, it won on the 5th of January over the same distance. It's only £1 higher in this race than it was last year. I think it's got every chance. There are 3 or 4 horses shorter price than this horse. So potentially it might not get shorter, but if this horse is fancied, some of these Irish runners can get backed to really short prices. So I've taken the sevens and I'll take the risk. The next selection is a selection that I backed last time on its seasonal reappearance. So the horse is called Apache Star. I've left the price. I think it's currently about 8 to 1 in the 7:30 at Wolverhampton, paying four places instead of three. This horse has got plenty of speed. It's back over 5 furlongs instead of six last time. It's also got, I believe, first time blinkers on. I think it's drawn a little bit wide, but I think together with the first time blinkers, it's shown pace at Southwell over 5 furlongs in the past. I think this horse will strip fitter, and I think it's got an obvious chance. And the final selection, I can't go without not backing this horse. So potentially we want a decent Loughnane day, because this horse, together with Professor Tickle and Apache Star, together with Starfighter, are trained by the Loughnaynes. I'm not sure if it's the same Loughnane or it's a combination of the two, David and Mark. But the final selection, like I said, is Starfighter. I've left the price. It's currently 11 to 4, which stinks a bit, but it may be short of that. I don't know, but I'll take the risk. In the 8 o'clock at Wolverhampton, this horse, I've said it every single time, I think throughout the 4 times that I've tipped it, this horse is very well handicapped. It's ready to win when they want it to win. So are they looking to get a bit of an accumulator up? They've got Professor Tickle, they've got Apache Star. They've also got at least another one that I've seen. Um, I think they've got two in one of the races. I think, in fact, they've got two in the 5 o'clock race. But I've gone for Professor Tickle. The other one is actually a much shorter price. I think it's about eights or tens. But I'm sticking with those four. I like the look of them. So let me know in the comments if you fancy them, if you're going to back them, or even your own selections. So I wish you the very best of luck. Charlie Winters, over and out. Cheers, mate.